Okay guys, if you're like me and you're actually getting out and using your DJI camera in like the woods and stuff like that, or hiking and camping stuff, you're probably going to be getting worried about damaging it because it is a fragile unit. Well, guess what? I now have the perfect accessory for you, and this is probably, out of all the accessories that you're going to get for your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, this is going to be the best one by far. So let's check it out. Okay guys, so you see the DJI Pocket Osmo 3 right here, and I'm going to tell you right now that the item that I'm about to show you is probably by far the best item you are going to get as an accessory to go with your DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Now, I've done videos in the past. I showed on my first Osmo that came to me, the screen had a malfunction, and it got messed up, and I think it was due to the case that it came in. Well, people have actually commented and they said DJI needs to come out with a different case or something, or just all kinds of stuff. Here's the accessory. This is by Scotty Makes Stuff. This is an actual case for your DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So let me turn this off, and I'm going to show you exactly how this works. Now, he did an awesome job with this thing. This thing actually has little clips here on the side. So when you pull it open, there you go. That's all you have to do to get into it. Now, as you can see right now, the pocket depth on it and everything, he's got two versions of this. He's got one that's actually for the Osmo by itself. And then he's got another one that's got an Osmo for the one with a battery on it. And I ordered the one that had the battery compartment. So let's go ahead and take this tripod off here. And we're going to go ahead and slip this into it to show you exactly how well this thing works. So we are fully into it now. And down here on the bottom, you're going to see that there is a little knob that you can turn. And once you get that knob turned, it actually screws into the 1/4-20 that's in the bottom of your Osmo, so you won't have to worry about it just popping out. So I have my little screwdriver here already. And you just tighten this up, and it keeps that in there, and it's not coming out. Now, the cool thing about this is you no longer have to use the DJI case. This is going to be your case now. As you can see right now, the screen is completely protected. You can drop this, you can throw it around, just do all kinds of stuff. And I wouldn't suggest doing that, but you're going to have your unit protected. So this is what you've got now. And it does not hinder you from using it in vertical mode or in the up and down. And on the back side, you'll notice right here, there is a place where you can actually plug in your USB-C and it will charge. Now, he's gone above and beyond on everything on this. He's got a little slot here, a little opening so you can access your memory card. There's actual ports all over this thing, so the little microphones that are built into this won't have any issues as well. Also, 1/4-20 thread in this bottom nut, so you can add your tripod to this. And all you do is simply screw it in. And now you have a tripod to go with this unit. Now, the other cool thing about this, Scotty Makes Stuff. I mean, this guy literally thinks things through. You'll see right here on the front, there's a 1/4-20. There's a 1/4-20 here. There's one on the back. He makes you a little clip where you can actually have this and clip it to your backpack, belt, or whatever. And then there's another 1/4-20 on this side. And as you can see, I've already got one of the little cold shoes that he provides you. He gives you like 3 different little cold shoes. So you can take your microphone that you may be using, and it just slides right in. And this is mountable anywhere you want it. Now, the other cool thing about this is when you have it in storage mode. Oh, let me turn this off real quick. When you turn off your Osmo and it's in storage mode, you put this on, locks into place. There's actually a place up here on top where you clip on your microphone. So now you don't have to worry about losing your microphone. So pretty much everything is going to be all included in this. And again, guys, this is by Scotty Makes Stuff. He's got a channel here on YouTube. I'm going to link him in the comments so you can go check out the different products. He's making other accessories to go with this whole setup, like a little rain guard that can actually go over this if you're filming outside in the rain, so the rain won't get on your camera lens. He's just got these things are amazing. And like I said, there's two different models of this case. There's one model that you can use without the battery, and then there's this model so you can have your extra battery that comes with your Osmo Pocket 3 right here. So guys, like I said, best accessory you are going to buy for your Osmo Pocket 3 to keep it safe. And guys, I've been using this all over the place. I took it to an RV show a couple weeks ago, and this clip here on the back, I actually clipped it to my backpack and was able to walk around and just let the camera do its thing, and video and everything. It worked great. So, do I recommend these things, man? Guys, yes, I do. Go check out Scotty Makes Stuff. These are awesome. And with that, guys, we're out of here. Enjoy your weekend.